Okay, so similarly, if you're doing your first installation with a combiner box, we need a similar thing to happen, please. First of all, get the combiner box out before you go to site, have a look at it, and you can see it, okay? And just check with us which inputs you're going to use for the breakers. These have 80 amp breakers on them, okay? So again, what we need you to do for any installation for these, and you could do this before you even leave to go to site, get the batteries that are going to be installed on this combiner box, please. Put them all online and give us a call. What we're going to do in this instance, because these breakers are limited to 80 amps, we're going to change the discharge rates on the batteries to 40 and 40. Okay, out of the box they're 40 and 60. 2 times 60 is 120, that's too much for this breaker. So we're going to change them to 40 and 40. Just gives us an extra layer of protection on these installations using these units. Very simple. You can do it in the office before you leave. Give us a call if you need any help on that, okay? And again, before you even connect up to this, we would like you to give us a call so we can ensure that the settings on this unit are absolutely correct as well. So have a look at this kit before you leave site. Don't open it for the first time on site. Batteries, you don't even need to wait till you get to site. We could do that in your office today, tomorrow, whenever you want. Just line them up, put the dongles in, turn them on, pair them to your local router, give us a ring, so right, these ones are all online. We'll get the batteries ready, and then you just pick those batteries ready to go and install with this combiner box.